The Human Heart Part 3.
Today we are learning about the human transport system. Now, other than the 4 chambers that we mentioned just now, the heart has also got a central muscle known as the septum. And the septum is actually here. It actually separates the left from the right chambers of the heart. Okay, and this is important because this separation totally separates and prevents the deoxygenated blood from mixing with the oxygenated blood. So do recall the deoxygenated blood is found on the right hand side of the heart, and with a central septum, that way it actually prevents it from mixing with all the oxygenated blood on the left. Now finally, there are valves that separate the atrium from the ventricles. In other words, these 2 valves, they actually act like flaps. And when the flaps close, it prevents the blood from the ventricle from traveling backwards into the atrium. And this is what we call preventing the backflow of blood. These are what we call valves. Likewise, on the right side, there's also another set of valves that does that. Now, I do want to mention something, which is basically that over here have another 2 sets of valves. And these are actually valves that are fairly unusual. When we mention valves, we actually are talking about the valves that exist between the atrium and the ventricles. So you could keep that in mind first.
Stay tuned for more contents. Click the plus for more info.